the snow!
Perfect timing, dear.
Wow, look at that! Those mountains are huge! Can we go out and play? I'll race you to the lake. Dad, look! There is a puppy on the ice.
Remember, everyone must stay away from the lake.
Do you think the dog is hungry? Maybe. I brought some for it. You always think of everything. Not everything, just food.
This is exactly what I was talking about. Stay behind me.
It's all right. We're not going to hurt you. My scarf!
Ben, stop!
I can reach it.
No, a scarf is not worth risking your life.
Leave it. Dad is right. Come back! Dad, it's scared. We have to help.
We will, but we won't make things worse. We are not going onto the ice. We'll pull the dog back from here.
Do not go near the ice. I won't. You promised Mom and Dad. I remember. It's slipping! Ben, wait! I can reach it with this. Please don't do this. You're my little brother.
I'll stay low. I'll be careful.
Ben, come back! I almost have it. Ben, please! It's cracking! Just one more second. Ben! Emily! I'm here!
Emily! Help me!
Dad! Mom! Ben needs us!
I see him. I see him. Ben! Stay where you are! I'm coming closer! Look at me, Ben. Stay where you are.
Okay, Dad.
Good. I'm right here.
Secure the line around the tree and keep it steady.
We've got you.
Talk to me, Ben.
What should I say?
Tell me about your birthday.
I'm getting tired, Dad.
I know. Just keep talking to me. What cake do you want for your birthday?
Chocolate.
Only chocolate?
A lot of chocolate? With my name on it? The biggest chocolate cake in town.
The biggest chocolate cake in town.
Will I still get my birthday cake?
Absolutely. And you're choosing the biggest one. The line won't reach!
That's all the line we have. I'm getting tired of waiting, Dad.
Keep listening to my voice. I'm right here.
The scarf can give Dad a little more reach. Mom, keep the line steady!
I've got it. Do you think he'll see it?
Yes. The purple will stand out against the snow.
Okay, it's ready.
Dad, you have more room now.
I can move closer. I'm here, Ben.
You found me.
Always.
Michael!
We're okay. We're okay. Keep the line steady. I've got you, son. Stay with me.
Pull! I'm pulling! Keep it steady.
I've got it, Mom. Dad, leave me. The rope can pull you back.
No. I would rather be frightened beside you than safe without you. They need both of us, and both of us are going back.
Mom, the scarf is coming loose.
Keep it steady. They're almost here.
Mom, I have an idea. This will give us a better grip.
Good idea.
Ready, Mom?
Ready.
Keep moving with me, Ben.
I'm with you, Dad. 1, 2, 3. Again.
Almost there!
We've got you! Is the dog okay? Yes, the dog is safe.
Come inside. It's warm.
We're coming. We're back at the cabin. Ben is warm and resting now.
Everything looks okay. Keep him warm and let him rest.
I ruined Grandma's scarf. But you loved it.
I can repair a scarf, Ben. I could never replace my brother.
Are you angry?
I was terrified. Sometimes fear looks like anger. Your heart was kind, but your choice was dangerous.
What does courage mean?
It means understanding the situation, thinking clearly, and asking for help.
Dad, you came for me.
I will always come for you.
What if we need a longer rope next time?
Then we'll plan better.
And maybe bring an extra scarf.
Good morning, everyone. Today is a special morning. But it does not feel happy. It feels quiet and heavy. Something is about to change. Can you feel it? Let us find out together.
Good morning, everyone. Please sit down. I have something to tell you. I am going to move to another city.
Move? What does move mean?
Move means to go and live somewhere new. Far away.
Oh, another city. That is very far.
Yes. It is time. You all have your own lives now.
But Grandma, why?
I do not want to be in the way. You are all very busy. Busy means many things to do.
You are never in the way.
Please. Think about this again.
My mind is made up. I leave in 3 days.
3 days. That is not many days. I feel scared inside. I feel something I cannot name. Emily, what does mind is made up mean? It means a decision is final. You will not change it.
Oh. That sounds very serious.
Yes, Ben. It is very serious.
The next morning feels different. Everything looks the same, but nothing feels the same.
Grandma, you always fold so neatly. You did teach me. I remember.
Do you?
Yes. You said, Pine, fold slowly. Take your time. Do it with love.
You remembered all of that?
I always remember.
I cannot do this. It is too hard.
Let me see. Look here. One step at a time. Patient means you do not rush. You go slowly.
One step at a time, Ben. You can do it. One step at a time.
Okay,
Now try again.
I got it. Thank you, Grandma.
You did it yourself. I only watched.
I watch Grandma all day. She does so many small things. She helps Ben. She folds. She hums. She makes tea for everyone. And no one says thank you. I feel sad. And I feel something else. Ben. What does grateful mean? Grateful? I do not know. Grateful means you feel thankful. Deep inside. For something someone gave you. Are you feeling grateful right now, Emily? Yes, Ben. I think I am. Very grateful.
It is very late. I cannot sleep. I keep thinking about Grandma.
I want to tell her many things, but the words do not come out of my mouth, so I will write them instead. Dear Grandma, I am not good at saying big feelings out loud, so I will write them instead. You taught me how to fold, slowly, with love. I still do it that way, every single time. You taught me to be patient. You never rushed me, not once. Even when I was slow, even when I made mistakes. You always waited. You taught me that small things matter. A cup of tea in the morning, a soft song while working, a smile when no one is watching. You showed me these things every day, and I was watching. Grandma, you do so much for us, and we do not always say it, so I want to say it now. Thank you for every small thing. I love you. Pie, Emily. I fold the letter carefully, just the way Grandma taught me. I write her name on the front. I leave it near her bag. Tomorrow she will find it. I hope it is enough. Enough means just what is needed, not more, not less. I hope my words are enough for her. Did you sleep well?
A little. I woke up early.
We made breakfast. Please eat before you go.
Thank you. Thank you. You are all so kind.
Grandma, will you call us?
Every day, Ben.
Me too. I will call you every day too.
Good. That makes me happy.
It is just a letter. You do not have to read it now.
A letter? From you?
Yes, Grandma. From me. Are you okay?
Yes, I am okay. Emily, did you write this last night?
Yes. I could not sleep.
You watched me all day yesterday?
Yes, Grandma. I always watch you. I just never said it out loud.
You remembered the folding.
Fold slowly. Take your time. Do it with love.
That is exactly what I said to you.
I always remember. Grandma.
I thought I was not needed here anymore. Burden means something heavy that someone carries. I did not want to be a burden to you.
Grandma. You are not a burden. You are the opposite of a burden. A gift. You are our gift, Grandma.
Do you know what this letter is, Emily? It is the most beautiful thing anyone has ever given me. I thought love had to be loud. What did it show you? That love can be quiet. It watches. It remembers. It writes at night when no one is sleeping. I do not want to leave.
Then stay, Grandma.
Are you sure?
Me too. Oh, honey.
Me too.
Me too. Me too. I want to stay. This is where my heart is.
You know, it's these quiet evenings, surrounded by the people you love, that matter most of all. So, what did we learn today? Love does not always need big words or loud actions. Sometimes love is quiet. It watches, it remembers, it folds slowly with care. And if you love someone, tell them. Do not wait, do not assume they know. Write it down, say it out loud, show them they matter. Because the people we love most are sometimes the ones who feel invisible. They think they are a burden, but they are not. They are a gift. So I have a question for you. Who in your family shows love quietly? Who watches you? Who remembers the small things? Have you told them thank you? Have you told them they matter? Maybe today is the day. I am so glad Grandma stayed. I am so glad I wrote that letter. And I will always remember.